Guys, this is Nice Guy here, and today we're going to be doing a nature walk. Since it's almost night, we're only going to be going halfway. Next video, we're going to be going all the way. Here we go. Snow frickin' sucks. We have about like 4-8 inches, something like that, around here. I'm trying to like keep an eye out in the camera, but not in the camera, so like I can see if you guys can see and stuff. I was gonna do this with my friend Bradley here. Now I got my friend Riley, but Bradley left before he had a chance to do it. Forgot about it. Got my hunting license earlier. Just so you know, I don't want to get reported for shooting birds without my license. Well, shooting birds because of livestock reasons, and then shooting squirrels for small game. That frickin' bird ticked me off big time. We're about 100 yards from my house now. I'm all alone, except with Riley here. Yeah, you can't even see his face. That's how dark it is. I don't think you can. No, you can't see it on the camera. Well, since you can't see, I'm just going to tell you what's here. Here, some squirrel tracks. So, next time we come out here, we might have a chance of getting a squirrel. Pick that gun up. Pick the gun up. Whoa, just fell on some ice right there. So we're going to go over to this canopy right here, like this canopy thing, with all the trees there. Look around and turn back, because it's almost time for dinner, and I don't want to get in trouble. So, next video we'll even check the traps and set a few snares. I'll get back to you when we get up to the house. Nice Guy out.